Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to search your mail in Gmail. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to direct everyone's attention up to the top bar of the Gmail window here, and there should be search bar. So basically, instead of just searching mail, just typing in your email or a name of somebody who sent you something in the past, you can do a more detailed or advanced search by left clicking on this drop down arrow that says show search options. And you can actually go ahead and select a from email or to, maybe you sent it to somebody, as well as a date, so if the date is within a certain day, or you can also pull up the calendar and figure out what period of time it was sent from, as well as if there was a size, so if there was an attachment or something, you could sort out emails through that, so whether it has an attachment or doesn't include chat messages, which will populate your inbox at times. So it gives you a lot of different options to search from as well. So you just would type in whatever you want. So let's just say I type in Steve, and an email that has the word Steve will come up in it. So pretty straightforward tutorial. I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.